Good day, beautiful people. It's your brother here again from Israel Sprouts to share with you what I got in my garden right now. Okay, I have planted some a raised bed, which you see right here, where it got these dinosaur kale sticking up right here, right? And these is peppers, cayenne peppers, and we know cayenne peppers is a good source of food that can speed up your metabolism, help people lose weight, burn fat, and stuff like that, and also dilate the blood vessels. That's why it's good for your heart. But right here, this is a big long mint plant, but not this. These right here, this was a potato, and the greens then died back. So it's time to harvest some potatoes. It's like digging for a buried treasure. All praises to the Most High. Take these out. Let's start digging. What's under here? It's my first time harvesting tomatoes. Uh-oh. That look like some doggone. Oh, man. Got. Uh-oh. Let me see what this be about. Uh-oh. There's a potato right here. Uh-oh. Those is maggots for some reason. I don't know, but I'm going to find out. There's another one. Them could be termites, though. Because I did have some was that sawdust breaking down. So it could be. Alright. It's another one. It's another one. Uh-oh. Ooh. Man, this mosquito's crazy. Look at this nice one. I think I'm gonna make me some some type of baked potato or something. Okay, what else we got, man? We gotta have a bunch of little ones, huh? So all we got is that. No, here we go. There's one. There's another one. Here's another one. These little ones. That's it, huh? Uh-oh, is that another one? Nope. All right. So all in all, this is what we got. Quick harvest of a few months. Say about a quarter of a season. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. About 9 edible size potatoes, red potatoes, and a few little babies. So, to God be the glory. I'm glad you experienced this with me, and have a blessed day. Peace.